Hey y'all. Okay, so they have now arrested the mall shooting suspect in Alabama. I hope and pray to God that they have the right person this time. As most of y'all know, a young innocent man was shot for no reason and killed. Okay? It says Alabama mall shooting suspect is arrested after a week of shifting police narratives. They kept changing the reason why they supposedly shot this young guy. Okay. 1 week after police said they killed an Alabama mall shooting suspect, then said he probably wasn't the shooter, authorities say they've arrested the real assailant near Atlanta. Aaron Martez Daquan Brown, 20, was arrested Thursday at a relative's home in Fairburn, Georgia, U.S. Marshal Supervisor Frank Lemke said. Brown faces one count of attempted murder in the Thanksgiving night shooting at Riverchase Galleria Mall, an upscale shopping center in the Birmingham suburb of Hoover. Moments after the shooting, a Hoover police officer working security at the mall shot and killed a different man, Emantic Bradford, Jr., and over the past week, Hoover police kept changing their story about why Bradford was shot. First, Hoover police said a 21-year-old suspect, later identified as Bradford, shot and wounded an 18-year-old man and a 12-year-old innocent bystander. Then police said Bradford probably didn't pull the trigger, but he did brandish a gun. Then they said Bradford had a gun in his hand, but didn't say that he was threatening anyone with it. The Bradford family's attorney said the young man had a legal permit to carry a weapon. And I saw the video. There was a live video of just another customer in the mall who was walking around, and he was recording it after this young man had gotten shot, and he saw the guy right before he got shot, and he wasn't doing anything at all. All this has led to growing accusations of racial profiling and demands for answers. But the case has been turned over to the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency, which said Wednesday that it will not release information concerning pending criminal investigations. City asked the state to release info. On Thursday, Hoover City officials held a news conference asking the law enforcement agency to release limited information on the case to the public. Council member Derek Murphy noted that protesters had been demonstrating this week outside the mayor's home. City officials did not say what limited information they wanted the state to publicize, but Murphy said the city is asking the state to release that information by noon on Monday. We have also discussed a follow-up plan in the event that we don't receive any information by Monday at noon, Murphy said. In that case, he said, Hoover Police Chief Nicholas Durzis will decide whether or not to release limited information on his own. When asked why city officials wouldn't take questions at Thursday's news conference, City Administrator Alan Rice said they wanted to wait until Bradford's funeral Saturday before releasing any information related to the investigation. But why? Rice said he doesn't know what type of limited information might be released Monday, but state investigators say they're not going to publicize any information prematurely. It's highly likely that prematurely releasing information, including video evidence, would have hampered the investigation's progress thus far, even to the point of deterring key witnesses. As other witnesses continue to come forward, it is imperative for the integrity of the investigation that SBI, which is the State Bureau of Investigation, continue to keep confidential information agents obtain. The Hoover police who was working as security at the mall when he killed Bradford is on administrative leave, pending the outcome of the investigation. The attempted murder charge. Brown faces a charge of attempted murder in the shooting of 18-year-old Brian Xavier Wilson at the mall. Wilson and a 12-year-old girl who was hit by a stray bullet are recovering from their injuries. Additional charges are expected as the investigation progresses. It's not clear what relation, if any, the suspect has to Wilson or to the Bradford. Wilson's attorney, John C. Robbins, issued a statement offering condolences to the Bradford family and calling for more dialogue about police shooting deaths of black men. The Wilson family hopes that this tragic event will lead to real, open, and honest dialogue, not only between the African American community and the police, but also the entire community must be involved in this discussion. Reckless police shootings of young black men must stop, but they will not end until there is rational and productive communication between the entire community and the police force, whose duty is to protect that community. Okay, so here we're going to watch this. It's terrible. I mean, it just seems like so many innocent people are getting killed, by everyone, but it should never be happening by the police. I mean, to me, that is racial profiling. A lot of times they see a black man with a gun. What happens? He gets shot. They get shot when they don't have a gun. So, it's like if they don't want to feel like they're, if they don't want people to feel like they're racially profiling, then stop shooting black men for no reason. Stop killing these men for no reason at all.
It hurts me to the core. My son is gone. I can't get him back. But you vilified my son like he was a straight criminal.
Nobody even took the time or had the decency to notify me of my son's death. Instead, it's flashed all over social media.
No justice! Police! No racism! Police!
Like I said, I hope they have the right person now, because there's too many people getting killed and locked up who are innocent. So hopefully, I pray to God that there's the right person, and my deepest condolences go out to the family who has lost their son. And on the video that I saw, I mean, it was terrible. I mean, they shot him and literally just left him right there. Like, I didn't see anybody at all trying to help him whatsoever. So I just wanted to show y'all this, that the suspect has supposedly been caught. Hopefully is the right person. Leave your comments and feedback below. If anyone would like to send anything to me, you can do so on my email, or you can add me on Facebook and send whatever you like through there. If y'all have not subscribed to my other channel, please click on the link down below. Subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Till the next time I talk to y'all, have a great day, and I love y'all.